Here's a great deal on a 2012 Lexus GX460. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors and seats, heated and ventilated seats, illuminated running boards, turn signal indicator mirrors, skid plates, a roof rack, and leather upholstery. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.